my 7 Kurgan fellows, and they are my students. They have arranged this Elizar of webinar, basic Elizar of course, and a special thanks goes to Dr. Arif and Dr. Shatu and other my fellows. And you
Thank you,
know,
sir.
this is the academic area in Bangladesh and all over the world. You know, in Australia, in South Korea and Taiwan, and they have strictly follows the rules. And for you know that information. Three things you should have to maintain: social distancing, number one; number two, digital contact tracing, and which one is going on. This is called the that is sero surveillance, and this is poor in my country. If you don't do it properly, you cannot avoid infection. And to eliminate infection, we must strictly follow all these things. The loss of anyone in this world is irreplaceable and irreparable. So my gratitude to all the frontliners, that the nurses and the doctors who dedicated their life in this pandemic COVID-19. So now I'd like to start talk on Elizarov, because Elizarov is my life, and I'd like to share this with you, the Elizarov technique. Before going to technique, how it came to the world.
Sir, please share your screen, sir.
Yes.
There are some rules regarding. If you have questions, just hands up, please, and or you can put SMS in chat box so that we can answer the question after the session is over. Yes, sir.
Okay.
The screen is visible, sir.
Okay. So methodology of Elizarov, past, present, and future. Already Arif mentioned regarding myself. I don't want to stop. I want to continue. You see, these are the places where I got my training in different parts of the world. And I remember the places from where I learned the Elizarov technique. And this is our Nitor, you know, everybody of our country fellows, you know, this is the Nitor, this is the now 1,000, bedded orthopedic and trauma hospital, which is situated in Dhaka. And this is my center where I'm doing most of the Elizarov cases. And you know, these are the pictures and photos. Those who are well known in all over the world, their pictures are here. Those who are dedicating their life with Elizarov surgery, you can see. So this is, if you look at this map, location of the globe of Kurgan in the globe, see 3,000, more than 2,500, near about 3,000 kilometers from Moscow. So this is the Kurgan. You can see a small town, even though it is small, it is situated, this Elizarov Center, Kurgan Center is especially for, you know, armamentarium of the army, and for the Elizarov Center, this is the well known in all over the world. So the Elizarov method that I told you earlier has established itself as a powerful technology for the management of a great variety of the bone diseases and conditions. It is considered by our, not by the systems, based on biological laws, two things, that is, and technological philosophy. The basic principles of Elizarov, you can see here: tension stress effect that stimulates the biosynthetic activities in tissues, adequacy of blood supply and loading, gradual lengthening and correction, possibility of full-time control of callus formation, and early limb functioning and loading. This is the basic principles of Elizarov philosophy. And you can see, we always call this Kurgan Elizarov. He is the magician of the Kurgan. And Professor Gabriel Abramovich Elizarov. I should say, when it was in Soviet Union, we also call him Soviet or Russian orthopedician, an academician of the Russian Academy of Medical Science. This is very, very, high quality of surgeon, those who are the academician. And in Kurgan, Professor Vladimir Ivanovich Shevtsov and Professor Elizarov is the two academicians from Kurgan, especially in the medical science. And you can see he was born in 15 June 1921 and he passed in 24 July 1991. And you can see graduation, young Elizarov, look at this, see, if you look at the face, you can see he did his graduation in 1943 and the government sent him to the Siberia in Kurgan. He was a self-made orthopedic surgeon. And in 43 to 1952, he started doing his own transosseous compression distraction system by his technique. See, and if you think about the 1943 to 2000, 1968, he did his thesis on Elizarov technique. And this thesis was accepted by the scientific committee for his DSc, Doctor of Science, in the same meeting. And you see, in 1969, he was conferred in the DSc, PhD and DSc. DSc is the Doctor of Medical Science, and PhD, the philosophy of the medical science. In 1970, there was a symposium in all Soviet traumatologists and orthopedists, which was conducted by Gabriel Abramovich Elizarov. Look at this. These are the different pictures of the Professor Elizarov when he was doing Elizarov surgery in the Kurgan Center. In 1976, all Soviet conference was held in Kurgan, where he demonstrated his theoretical and practical aspects of the transosseous compression, distraction, osteosynthesis. We are calling it this transosseous. Through the bones, a small biocompatible thin wires were utilized to correct the deformity, to lengthen, and to formation of the new vessels, for forming the new vessels. And see, in 1983, there was a conference which was conducted in Italy, and Professor Elizarov was the main speaker there. In 1984, same conference was held in Italy, and in 1985, there was a formation of ASAMI. Now, you can see the ASAMI is well-known established forum of the Elizarov surgeons in all over the world. And we are lucky that we are the active member. Bangladesh is the active member of the ASAMI, and we are going every time joining the ASAMI conferences in different parts of the world. And see, 71 years, he lived for 71 years. He worked with this method 40 years, and he worked in Kurgan for 21 years. You can see a picture here. Professor Elizarov, back is the Professor Vladimir Shevtsov, successor of Elizarov, and a young Dror Pale. He was in 1986, he was in Kurgan for 2 times to learn this Elizarov technique. And see, 1992, German, they published a Springer Red Law, total cases 8,000 and 3,100 pictures, illustrations, which was published in English. It's a very good book. And if you need, you can consult that one. What are the honors and awards Professor Elizarov got in his life, starting from the very beginning? You can see here, I don't want to mention all this. And Order of Lenin, he got it 3 times. It is a very big thing for the Russians. And international, you can see all awards and honors that was selected for academician Gabriel Abramovich Ilizarov. Look at these different varieties. If you look at the picture of Carlo Mauri, Italian, you know it, with beard, with the picture center one, you can see here. He became famous after tweeting this Carlo Mauri. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Any
Yes,
disturbance? No. Huh? Now see, this is, I must show you some things regarding the family of the Ilizarov. You can see Svetlana Ilizarov. She is now staying in New York, spine and Ilizarov surgeon. And you can see the right side, son of the Ilizarov, Alexander. Lecture talking about the Ilizarov technique.
During 20 years, the famous
Now you can
Italian
see
traveler
the video
mountain climber
of
Carl
the
Mauri, a member of the world team of the Thor and Heyerdahl expedition,
of the
constant pace
academician
affected
Professor
after
Ilizarov.
an accident.
He was talking with the Carlo Mauri. The extraordinary theory and the principles it developed for the treatment of bone are ever greater significance than its instrumentation and the device. You see, this was told by Stephen Perrin. Now, this is Professor Ilizarov when he started working in 1951 and 52. This old model. In the right side, you can see, and this is the new model with telescopic rods. And you know, I must pay all the time respect to this great scientist. This is the graveyard of Ilizarov. And very important things is the contribution of the Ilizarov. First, biologic law. Those who are doing what the basic surgery is, you should know that basic surgery of Ilizarov. Before doing that, you must know the first biologic law. What is that? Law of tension and stress. Everybody forgets. During doing surgery, if you keep it in your mind, the law of tension and stress, how it helps to do the bone lengthening, new vascularization, you must know the first biologic law. And second one is very important, doing the corticotomy. There are lots of methods of doing the corticotomy, but basic Ilizarov principle, I strictly follow the Ilizarov principle for doing the corticotomy. Corticotomy, when you are doing, that means cortex, you should have to cut. You don't go to the medullary cavity. Sometimes you cannot follow that one, but you should have to follow that one. And distraction compression apparatus, osteogenesis. This apparatus called, the Russians, they always call this distraction compression. Distraction, that means you can go for lengthening and you can go for compression. And Professor Ilizarov were always fond of saying, no surgeon is justified to do any reconstructive surgery by my technique, that means Ilizarov technique, unless he has got the competent idea regarding the technique and the apparatus. That means myriads of instruments. Before doing surgery, you should have to have very good idea regarding the instruments. Otherwise, you'll face a lot of problems in the operation theater. So the procedure, the first apparatus Ilizarov design was inspired by shaft bow harness on a horse carriage. See, look at this. Originally, bicycle parts were used for the frame. And the idea came to his mind how to do this one. And, you know, Ilizarov was very intelligent and he tried himself to do this. I told you in my starting point that he was a self-made orthopedic surgeon. And this technique in Ilizarov, whenever you will apply, you'll be able to do your culture of the brain. Every time you should have to think yourself how you can proceed further. And believe it me, my dear friends, you can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like, starting from head to toes. Only you should have to think yourself, and this technique will help you to do any kinds of deformity, any kinds of trauma, lengthening, whatever you like, and of course the controlling the infection. And this is the, you have seen already, those who have gone to Kurgan, this is the Chaika car which was used by Professor Gabriel Abramovich Ilizarov. I myself, with previous director Alexander Gubin, now he is the deputy director of the Moscow CITO. In December, he's going to the director of the CITO, Central Institute of Traumatology and Orthopedics. Now the new director in Kurgan Center, you can see here, you have already seen. From outside, you will not be able to understand how many operations they are doing every day and how many doctors are working there. Come in quite very big and large, 850 beds. And most important thing is that every time they are doing scientific works, scientific research on animals. And with that, they are proceeding all the time how to correct, how to do, how to go ahead with this new technology that is Ilizarov technique. You see, invented in 1951, 52, now 2020, there are a lot of changes are coming on, but the biological parameters which was given by Ilizarov, it is still in everywhere. Whatever external fixator you use, you should have to follow the biological principles of the Gabriel Abramovich Ilizarov. And this is the front view in summer. This looks very nice. And this is called the orthopedic capital. The Muslims were going to the Mecca for, this is the, Mecca is the capital for the Muslims, and for the orthopedic surgeons, this is the capital, because the biological parameters, the technique, and the lengthening process, deformity correction, everything is started from this center. And everywhere in the world, there are a lot of instruments now you can see, external fixators. You can name a lot of scientists, those who have done with external fixators, but the biological parameters which was given by Gabriel Abramovich is still following. Nobody has changed this one. 4 times, 3 times, or 2 times, depending on your case, you can do that. And these are, everybody is following. This is in winter season. Now compare, beautiful thing, beautiful front gate of the Ilizarov Center. And you can see this is the museum. If you go, if you don't go, if you don't see, you will not be able to realize what about the museum of this. If somebody looks at this in their skull, you can see, if you go to the neurosurgery department in that center, you will be able to know how the CBD cases they are treating. And this is the Ilizarov. Ilizarov not putting the words only. Principles you should have to know. Law of tension and stress you should have to know. This is the museum, which was, see, in the museum, there are 2 special corners. One from the Professor Gabriel Abramovich Ilizarov. He has started his life here. And another part with the Vladimir Ivanovich Shevtsov, his corner. And those who are visiting this, going to that center, and if you visit the center, you can have a very good idea regarding the activities of the Professor Ilizarov, what he did in his whole life in Kurgan Ilizarov Center. So now you can see this is in 2013, and with Carlo Mare, Catagni, you can see here. Catagni, you know, that one, the left side you can see. And right side with me, Professor Catagni, who came first time in 1981 to the Kurgan Center and he learned a lot of things from there and came to Italy. He started doing Elizarov surgery in Italy, and he made his own arch. That is, 90-degree, 120-degree arch for the using the upper part of the femur or humerus. And even sometimes you can use it in tibia also. And one of the successor, Dror Pele, of course, he's good, but he's changing all the time, But uh, he learned everything from that side, from that center, Kurgan, and he learned a little bit Russian and tried to capture all the things. Now he's changing all the time. And if he could not go to that center, he could not be well known in the world. Catagnidis, Dror Pale, and Bianchi. I know the Italian surgeons, lot of Italians and Americans, they've gone there to learn the Elizarov technique. And these are some pictures with this. And Professor Shevtsov, I must say something, he was the 18 years for the director of the institute and learned a lot of things from this gentleman. He's now running 82. 18 years director of a center, this is not a matter of joke. And this is a very well-known Elizarov surgeon doing a lot of deformity corrections and trauma surgeries, congenital, acquired, everything. And must pay respect to the gentleman. And this is Professor Vladimir Ivanovich Shevtsov when he was the director of the institute. Very dynamic professor. 8 times he came to Bangladesh. I have a very good contact with him, and he loves me too much. Still, I remember the gentleman. I talk every month 2 or 3 times with him. If I face any problem, I can take any suggestion with him. And cordially, he is giving me suggestions in not only in surgery, in every aspects of my life. And he's my good friend of mine. I must pay respect to the gentleman. He's a very good guy. And see, this is the center of the Elizarov. And you can see to the right side, a doctor from England, British Indian. And this is the scenario that I must, everlasting, I should say, the memory of my Elizarov Center. Now, I told you that Burtsov, the new young director, he joined in 18 February here. This is the last time I visited Kurgan Center. I have seen 390 dogs. You have visited there. How they are doing the research work depending on the dogs and the other animals. If you don't go there, you'll not be able to understand. And see, this is Professor Fudiaev. He died during the time of Shevtsov. He was the chief of the neurosurgery. They were doing the correcting the kyphosis, kyphoscoliosis, and is still going on the process. Now on the lady doctor, he the chief of the apparatus. I have tried here, I have done the 2 cages of these PLID. You can see under Siam control, you can put this. You can have idea regarding the deformity of the spine, and this is also destruction angiogenesis, how they are doing. And if you go to the Elizarov Center, you'll see how they strictly follow the dressing. And this is the see. So these are the things that one I must say to you that Dror Pele have never done any animal works, scientific research work regarding these animals. Although he was there for 2 times and learned. One time, first time he had been there for 6 months. Another time he had been there. Elizarov today and in future. Dear friends.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Please be careful about time. We're running short of time. And announcement for everyone. If we just lost the connection, you can reconnect if we not finish the session yet. Please remind the same password and same ID. Okay, sir, you can
Now,
continue.
now I am going quickly. See, Elizarov was supposed to be adjustable to the large scope of injuries to give absolute stability. You know everything, and safe for the patient, to have lower scope of complications. And most of the orthopedic surgeons, those who uh, doesn't like this, I should say, they're telling cumbersome. Cumbersome for the patient, not patient. Cumbersome for the surgeon because he doesn't know how to apply that one. Uh, this is proper knowledge, effort, devotion, patience, practice, and basic understanding of the kinesiology and the kinematics and anatomy, of course, the physiology that will help you. And I am very much happy that in my country, Bangladesh, the Elizarov now is gained a strong foothold, and young surgeons, they're trying and they're doing, and I appreciate them. And this is the little bit in 2013, they made me the distinguished visiting professor of the Elizarov Center. And every year I'm going there to deliver the lecture in the Elizarov Center. It's a great honor for my country, not for me, for the orthopedic surgeons. And I am happy that I'm going every year there. And I'll go proceed further. See, this is my young life in Kiev. You can see here, after finishing my graduation, this is in Kiev, capital of Ukraine. This is, I was working in Kurgan Center when I have in OT with other colleagues. And you know this, all this. I would like to proceed. Assami conference and different parts of the, you know, this is the Harjenberg with my daughter and my wife. And we are in the different parts of the world and with stalwarts. And these are the, this is Harjenberg, Ketagni, Shepsov's house, Gamal Usni, all of the Elizarvs, surgeons of the world. See, all Rosebrook, Dror Palais, and this is from Canada, and these are all my pictures live, the Ashok Johari, and the stalwarts of the Elizarov technique, and this was in Brisbane 2016, and World Elizarov Day 15 June, dear friends. And my message is, once in a life, you must go to the RSC, RTO, Russian Elizarov Scientific Center, Kurgan in a life. And this is the property of the whole world. And our task is to promote it. Thank you very much. Look at this man who made it all possible. Great scientist, talented doctor, gifted innovator, creator of the apparatus and methods of transosseous osteosynthesis, academician, Russian Academy of Medical Science. We stand on Elizarov's shoulder and will continue our effort. And our young doctors, though were in this, will continue their effort. And if you learn Elizarov, you will be a strong orthopedic surgeon, not the Elizarov surgeon I tell you in your life. Remember it. I'm doing everything. But whenever Elizarov is my hand, I feel proud, I feel confident that I can do anything. So a physician must observe nature, learn from it to be able to rectify his flaws. This is Elizarov said, Gabriel Abramovich. And what my thinking finally, dear friends, see, it was my dream to visit Elizarov Center since my career. Elizarov Center is the origin of deformity correction, limb lengthening, pediatric orthopedics, static osteomyelitis. I have given this, all this to learn acquire Elizarov technique. Elizarov Center has gained towards achieving my goals. So,
thank you, sir.
I have taken initial. Thank you very much.
Sir, I think everyone is interested to continue this session for another some minute. So if we are disconnected, please you can reconnect by same password and same link. And up to that, we want to continue with you, sir. And if you have any question, please hands up and have your question, and we can unmute your link. Then you can question our professor directly. I am noting this thing another time, that if we are getting disconnected, then we can reconnect by same password just after few seconds. So, sir, please continue. I think everyone is interested. So far, 52 people are interested in viewing this session. And
Elizarov technique is like
yes,
a
sir. Please
mathematical
continue, sir.
formula. You should have to calculate all the time. You can culture your brain. You should have to think yourself, and it helps you to think yourself. And it is those who doesn't like or who doesn't know Elizarov, that is they're lacking, not that. And I'm telling you, I always mention this. What is peace? Perfect endeavor around the countries of the earth. When you will get peace, you will get peace. The fruit of silence, dear friends, I tell all the time, the fruit of silence is prayer. The fruit of prayer is faith. The fruit of faith is love. Fruit of love is service. Fruit of service is peace. And by giving good service, you can get peace. And you can provide good service with this technique, because fantastic technique, I tell you, not that I'm doing. Those who are the young chaps, those who are doing, they are also feeling all the time they are safe. They feel strong enough. And these are my books and my publications international. Most of them are Americans and Russians, and 42 research in MedCrave, 20 in junior in USA, and 15 research articles from Russian Kurgan Center. You can go through the website, you'll get it. And this is the last one, last month, Journal of Remote Research, History of Elizarov. I have written, you can go, ISBN, you can see here in Bangladesh, a brief review. Last month, 5th April, this is published in American Journal. So I convey my gratitude, what I learned, the discipline, the way of thinking, the rigorous approach, truthfulness, sincerity, devotion, and dedication. If you embark all these things, you'll be able to shine in your life. Thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you, sir. Please reconnect everyone so that we can continue our session for more of a couple of minutes. So